Hey guys, right here, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a luxury ball pillow out of a regular throw pillow or scraps material you have around the house, possibly material you pick up at Joann Fabrics, but this is a recycle reuse project for me. And I had this pillow, it's flattened now because I cut it and took all the stuffing out. That's actually the first part of this, and it was just way too big. It was for a couch. It was, I don't know, I just had it around, and when I washed it, it kind of got like weird because this material bled into this. So I'm not going to use this fabric at all, but I will be using this fabric. And what you're going to do is basically take your pillow, take the stuffing out. Make sure that you have as much surface space as your pattern, which I will put below. And we're going to cut out 6 of these. So I will have more than enough fabric to probably make 2 ball pillows out of this. Okay, now that you have your 6 pieces of pattern, you're going to take 3 sections of 2 and you're just going to line them up facing each other like this. So you're going to have 3 sections, and what you're going to do is just sew one side on each of the 3 sections. So you're going to sew right here all the way down to this point. You're going to sew right here all the way down to this point, and you're going to sew right here all the way down to this point. Now that we have the 3 pieces sewn together on one side, I find it easiest to attach these by opening one up and then opening another up and face the right sides in like this. These 2 pieces are facing together, and what we're going to do is just stitch this corner all the way around to this corner. Don't stitch this side yet. Now you should have something that looks like this. We put the 2 pieces together and it's starting to form a ball. We're going to make sure that what's going to be on the outside on the finished product, the front, is inside what looks like this half ball. And we're going to take our last piece and we're going to face this to this. Tell you how hard to film this is when you don't have a cameraman and you have one hand working with you. Anyways, 2 pieces facing together. We're going to do another stitch here. Now that those pieces are together, you're just going to put these 2 pieces together right here and stitch all the way around until about there, because we have to turn it inside out and still stuff it. It's starting to shape up and look like a ball. So every piece is attached now. I've already checked all of these here to make sure I didn't miss anything. And then I left this one little hole, and I'm going to turn this inside out and stuff it. It's right side out, and now it's ready to stuff. I actually used the stuffing for this pillow for a beanbag chair to fill it out a little bit more, but you can use the stuffing from the original pillow that you used. What I'm going to use are the scraps that came from cutting this material on the outside and other scraps that I had. Make sure that when you do use scraps, if you use scraps and you stuff it with scraps, cut it into little pieces so it's more comfortable. Since this is an accent pillow, it doesn't have to be comfortable, and you're actually recycling the fabric that would have been thrown out in the trash, which is really good for recycle and reusing. Here are the scraps that I'm going to use. I'm going to cut them up into little pieces. This is an example of how small I make my pieces. You can go ahead and just stuff it to the max if you don't care about it being comfortable, or at least semi-comfortable if you're doing it this way, and just shove it to the max and then fill it in with little pieces. But I like the little pieces because It does give a sense of fiber fill, but you're recycling what would normally go in the trash. Okay, I got quite a few pegs of extra scrap material in here, and it's not completely full yet, but I'm going to stuff it to the max, and then I'm going to sew this up. And this is the finished product. I like the round ball pillow because it breaks up the squares and makes it a little more jazzy looking. That other pillow was just way too big. It didn't work anymore, and I made something else out of it that matched the decor as far as pillows go. I'd like to personally thank you for watching my video today. If you like content like this and you want consistent content of recycling and reusing fabrics or things around the house in a crafty manner, please click the like button and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.